Are you ready to embrace this mystical season with a touch of hair care wisdom? If you follow our lunar hair chart, you're already on the right path. It's almost time for a hair care reset, and you're invited. The fall equinox, marked on September 23rd and 24th, is the ideal time for a little hair TLC, also known as root work. Equinoxes and solstices are not just fancy scientific terms. They're cosmic powerhouses that can boost your hair's potential. Your hair dances to the beat of the moon's cycle, and during these lunar celebrations, your hair reaps the rewards of your cutting goals. Why the buzz about root work? Imagine giving your hair a fresh start, reinvigorating it from the very roots and creating a solid foundation for vibrant, naturally healthy hair. Healthy roots mean happy hair. And speaking of happy hair, have you seen our lunar root work package? It's a dynamic duo designed to cleanse and condition your hair while restoring the natural pH balance to your scalp, promoting healthy hair and rejuvenation. Take your fall equinox journey to the next level with the blunt snip cut, a simple DIY technique. No need to wait for an appointment. You're the stylist. So whether you're a lunar explorer or a hair care enthusiast, the fall equinox is your invitation to nurture your hair and let it dance to the rhythm of the season. Happy equinox and happy hair. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.